I had to come all the way out here to Dreamforce, the Salesforce Tech Festival, to learn what artificial intelligence is really capable of and what's pure hype. Today, after full immersion in AI, I feel a lot more confident in sorting out the real from the phony. And I'm thinking, you know what? There's a hell of a lot more phony than there is real. And that's why I want to show you which AI claims are meaningless and which ones are legit. Look, I know this is Mad Money, not Mad AI. On today of all days, I could just focus on the Fed and only the Fed. Whether we'll get a 0.25% rate, maybe tomorrow we'll get a 0.5% rate. Today the average is whipped around anticipation, Dow finishing off 16 points, S&P ending up 0.03%, NASDAQ inching up 0.2%. Stocks were all over the place today as pros seem insistent on gaming the ungameable. But you don't need a San Francisco weatherman to know which way the wind blows. In the end, we know rates are headed lower, not higher. And that's what we need to sustain this bull market. Please do not overthink it. I'd rather focus on what can help us make some money. Like the biggest theme in the world right now, artificial intelligence. Specifically, what the hell does AI actually do anyway? We've heard so much about this AI technology and how it's going to revolutionize everything. Right now, though, we know that while AI has taken the stock market by storm, it really hasn't taken the actual economy by storm. To the extent that there are use cases, they're back office corporate cost saving, nothing flashy, which is why so many commentators now come on air and call the whole thing a bubble. Plus, almost every CEO that comes on the show says they have an AI strategy. You know what? Doesn't it almost feel like boilerplate to you? If they sure aren't getting the return you or I expected, or what, you know what? Or they expected. But here's what I've learned from being out here at Dreamforce. AI is not a strategy. It's not something that makes anything. It doesn't cure cancer. It doesn't create more product to sell. It doesn't even make the numbers for anyone but the companies that manufacture the underlying hardware. NVIDIA, Broadcom, heard from them yesterday, maybe AMD.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.